Where's Mama? You smile for Mommy? What? Aw. You tell me a story? Tell Mama a story. Oh. Yeah? Then what happened? Eli. Oh. You okay? Yeah. Is Louie growling? He wants his ball. Louie can wait. You are just so cute. Eli, where's Mama? Eli, where's your mommy? I love you. It's silly. Does Mommy love you? Can you show your smile? Eli. Where's your smile? No? You'll smile as soon as I turn this off, won't you? I see your hands. Where's those hands? Can you smile, please? Where's your smile? Where's your smile? You silly goose. Silly goose. You're kicking Mama. What are you looking for? You just ate. You just ate, mister. Don't hit yourself. I love you. Eli. Yeah.